Welcome to Honors Geometry Lesson 12.6, the surface area and volume of spheres. And if you're afraid of the last lesson for geometry, you may have a certain sphere of it. Yes, I've been waiting to go round and round on that one. So let's look at the surface area of a sphere. The surface area of a sphere is expressed by the formula surface area equals 4 pi r squared. So I would like you to set up the formula and solve and see if you can find the same volume that I do. So go ahead, set it up and go. So the surface area of that sphere, 26.41 square inches. Seeing how a baseball is supposed to range between 1.4 to 1.5 inches on the radius, in order to cover this baseball, you would need 26 square inches of material to cover that baseball. Alright, how about working backwards? The surface area of a sphere is 1256 square meters. What is the radius of the sphere? So, starting with the formula, like always, 4 pi r squared. And you're told that this is 1256 equals 4 pi r squared. So we're going to divide both sides by 12.56, because that's what 4 pi is approximately. Oh, how convenient. That would be 100 equals r squared. So the radius, when you take the square root of both sides, is 10 meters. Alright, let's move along. The volume of a sphere is expressed by the formula volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Now this one, it's the only one that has a couple of 3's, so hopefully you'll remember that both of them are 3's. And yes, I know that surface area of cones and pyramids did have 1/3, but it didn't have to the third power. So go ahead and try to solve this volume, and then pause it, and pause it, then try to solve it, and check your work with mine. So the volume I got was 3052.88 inches cubed. Let's go ahead and move along. Let's work backwards again with that same. The volume of a sphere is 1256 meters cubed. What is the radius? It's going to be a little bit different this time. Volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. You're told that the volume is 1256. 4/3 times 3.14 times r cubed. So the first thing that we're going to do is multiply both sides by 3/4 to get rid of that fractional coefficient. And that will cancel out everything over here. So we'll have 3.14 r cubed on the right side. And on the left side, I was saying, you get 942. Then we'll divide both sides by 3.14. And it looks like r cubed is going to equal, okay, that would be 300. Now you want to take the cube root of both sides, and when you do, you get approximately 6.7 meters for the length of the radius. And let's look at one more example. This will be a composite figure. Let's go ahead and look at that. Okay. Find the volume of the composite figure. What is it made up of? It is made up of a beautiful cylinder and a hemisphere. So you're told that the diameter of the circle of the base is 20. That makes the radius 10. So let's find the volume of the cylinder first. Volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. So 3.14 times 10 squared times 35. The volume is 10,990 inches cubed for the cylinder. Now let's go ahead and find the area of the hemisphere. Volume equals, well, this is 1/2 of a sphere, hemisphere. 1/2 times 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. So volume equals the volume of the sphere. Sorry, my calculator just fell down. Volume of the sphere, 2093, and 0.3 repeating, 1/3 inches cubed. And then we have to add the two volumes together. So the volume equals 13,083 and 1/3 inches cubed. So to find the area of a composite figure, the volume of a composite figure, add the two volumes or three volumes together. This does conclude Honors Geometry Lesson 12.6, Surface Area and Volume of Spheres.